Hello, I just created my first Kahoot. I want to show you what I did. So I'm here on Kahoot.com. I'm going to play a game. I'm going to play this classic one. I'm going to play it on an iPod, iPhone. Now it's connecting, and so what it's going to do is give me a pen. So I got my iPhone here. I'm going to put the pen in and enter. I don't know if you can see these, but we'll try it. I had to put a nickname in, so I'm just going to say my nickname is Hi. Okay, go. Now it's ready for me to start here. When I have entered it, it's ready to start. This is called e-learning tools quiz. This tool creates online video animation that moves. Okay, the answer to this is going to be beyond. So I'm going to push that, and it should give me the right answer. So I can go ahead and push next here. I got 1 point. This tool allows us to modify images and graphics. This is going to be Photoshop. So push Photoshop here. Got that one right. I'm noticing that you can't see the whole screen. Let me move the screen down a little bit if I can. All right, next. Push the next one on my thing. This tool is a digital sound editor and recording software. This is going to be Audacity. There we go. Pushing next. This is a simple graphic design website. Graphic design website. Is that going to be Canva or Photoshop? I'm going to push Canva. We'll try that one out. Yep, that was right. Okay, next one. Their mission is to empower educators to create learning experiences that engage the world. Boy, I hope I get these right. I think this one would be Nearpod, I'm guessing. Let's see if I get it wrong, huh? I was hoping to get something wrong. Show you what that's like. Next, this tool helps us make and organize our notes. Evernote. See, we have these pictures here that are hints for the quizzes too that you can use. This is an online video creation tool that oops, I missed it. Anyway, that question was too short. I'm going to say this one is Movely. That's going to be here. And that was right. There's only 8 questions here, so we should be close. This tool allows us to administer quizzes and discussions or surveys. This is Kahoot is the answer. So we got that, and then it will show us what our points are. Now I have to say, the first time I did this, I did it completely wrong. I'm going to show you. This was my first one, and I made it e-learning matching. I did a matching game where they have to match it. Let me just show you one of these. You have to like put it in the right order. It didn't work. I did it completely wrong. So I learned from it, and what I learned was that when you have the questions ready and when you have the pictures ready, it only takes about 5 minutes to make a Kahoot. And so this new one that I made took 5 minutes to make. It was super easy, super simple, and now that I know how to use it, I could do tons of these and it'd be awesome. So thanks for watching.